Hello, class 12th student. Today subject business studies, chapter 4 planning. चैप्टर डी प्लानिंग जो है मैनेजमेंट का फर्स्ट फंक्शन है। प्लानिंग मैनेजमेंट का फर्स्ट फंक्शन होता है। जो कॉन्सेप्ट है प्लानिंग का, इट रिफर टू थिंकिंग बिफोर हैंड या थिंकिंग in advance. The manager who acts without planning must learn to live without profit. If you fail to plan, if you plan to fail. Planning is the basic function of management, and with it starts the other function of management. So long planning does not determine the objective and the method of achieving those objectives. The other function like organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling are meaningless. The concept of planning forms the part of management which lays down the objectives and various activities to be done for the attainment of those objectives. Under this, it is decided what is to be done, how it is to be done, when it is to be done. To be done, how it is to be done, when it is to be done, and by whom it is to be done. Deciding about all these aspects is called planning. A problem about taking decisions on these matters arises when there are more than one possible answer. Therefore, it can be said to be a process of choosing. Definition है planning is deciding in advance what to be do, how to do it, when to do it, and who is to do it. Features of planning. After studying various definitions of planning, the following facts come to light about its nature and features. First है Planning focuses on achieving objective. First है planning focuses on achieving objectives. Achieving objectives. Second है first है planning focus achieving objective. Management being with planning and planning being with determining of objective. In the absence of objective, no organization can ever be thought about. With the determining of objective, the way to achieve the objective is decided in the planning. Second है planning is primary function of management. Primary function of management. Second है planning is primary function of management. Planning is the first important function of management. The other function, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, come later. In the absence of planning, no other function of management can be performed. This is the base of other function of management. Third है planning provide planning is pervasive. Planning is pervasive. planning is pervasive. Since the job planning is performed by the managers at different level working in the enterprises, it is appropriate to call it all pervasive. Planning is an important function of every manager. He may be a managing director of the organization or a foreman in a factory. The time spent by the higher level managers in the process of planning is completely more than the time spent by the middle level and lower level. It is therefore clear that all the managers working in enterprises have to plan.